Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can round prices inside of Rapi. So as you can see in this bundle as an example, you will see the prices displayed in your preview. And in my opinion, the buy two offer looks pretty ugly to the customer's eye. We have 20 cents after the full price, which is kind of weird, kind of confusing, and doesn't look aesthetically pleasing to me. Whereas the buy one option is still fine. Now, how you can round your prices is basically if you go to the advanced settings, you go to pricing, and you will find price rounding. You enable that, and once it's enabled, it will automatically be rounded by Rapi to, in this case, 00. So it will just be one full number. You can obviously change that and have, for example, very common 99 cents as the rounded price. A lot of e-commerce brands do this, and as you can see, it will change to 99 cents as the rounded price. You simply click on save, and your price will be rounded for that bundle.